squatting down there.
God,
He's got that one big and just, the shell on it is just crumbled. Cameron. Cameron, look here. How many you got? You done got tired? Huh? Her done got tired. Look here, I see one. Come on, let's go get it. Look here. Well, we'll go back to that. Ain't nobody gonna bother you.
Y'all find them all?
Ooh. She got 16 of them suckers. Go piggyback.
Keep up this way,
Cameron's got 16.
I got 6.
Ain't y'all James?
I got 25.
She's gonna come out there and help y'all now.